Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, let's talk about making money online with affiliate marketing for beginners. Many people asked me how much money I've made during the past 3 years working as an affiliate marketer. I am not going to tell you exactly the amount of money I earned in the past, but give you my practical advice for those of you who want to start making money online with affiliate marketing. By following my advice, you will be able to, definitely, make some money, or maybe lots of money if you are lucky. The amount of money you can make will depend very much on what kind of products you're going to promote, and how much time you spend on marketing your selected products. Affiliate marketing is a common way you can make money online by promoting others' products on your blogs, your websites, your YouTube channel, or whatever platform you can use to share your ideas about a specific products. Products can be digital software, tech gears, home appliances, or anything that people may purchase. By joining an affiliate program, you will be able to get tracking links for the product you selected, post these links on the above-mentioned platforms and get commission once people purchase anything from the tracking links on your platforms. The algorithm for that is very simple. Tracking links often exist in the form of cookies. Once people visit your website, for example, click on the links you put on your site, a cookie will be stored on their computer. If they decide to buy something on the stores you refer, you will get the commission. In short, we can say that affiliate marketing is a 3-steps procedure. 1. You use your platform to promote a product with affiliate links. 2. People purchase a product on seller's store via your affiliate links. 3. You will get the commission from the sellers. Okay. That's the basic about affiliate marketing. And here's the truth about affiliate marketing I've learned during the past 3 years working as an affiliate marketer. I believe that many people are telling lie about affiliate marketing, such as making money when you're sleeping, making money without working, making money without websites, or something like that. The truth is, firstly, affiliate marketing is only a way to help you make money online. You will need to work hard to get good results. If you're lazy, you will make nothing. Secondly, affiliate marketing is a 3-steps procedure as I mentioned above. It requires you to have a platform to share your thoughts, or your knowledge. You can't make money without having a nice website, a social account like Instagram, YouTube or Facebook. Finally, affiliate marketing is not a tool to help you make money immediately. It's time-consuming, especially when you're just getting started. First thing first, if you want to be successful in affiliate marketing, you'll need to have a platform to share your thoughts as I mentioned earlier. Building a website before joining an affiliate marketing program is a good way to getting started. If you already have a website, it's easy. Just find an affiliate marketing program and send them your joining request. Normally, they will look into your website and approve the request quickly. If you don't have a website, take a look at below tutorial on how to build a website on WordPress.com on my YouTube channel. Now what you need to do is writing high-quality articles about the products you've selected. If you can get good traffic, you'll make good money from your very first website with affiliate marketing. Question is, how can you get good traffic to your newly built website? It will take some time, maybe 1 month, 2 months or even 6 months to 1 year to get good traffic to your website. I can't guarantee anything about this issue. But, I can recommend you to learn about SEO tips and techniques. Learn how you can rank higher in Google search, learn how to optimize your website for SEO, etc. I am not a SEO expert. I can't teach you how to rank higher on Google search as many SEO experts can do. However, one thing I would recommend you to do is, concentrate on the quality of your content. SEO experts will recommend you to write some articles on your website and then start building backlinks to get higher ranks on Google search. I don't encourage you to do so as it needs so much time and effort to be successful, especially if you're trying to get higher ranks for competitive keywords. Instead of doing that, you can simply build high-quality content about the product you selected. Building trust with a small amount of visitors to your website with long-tail keywords may help you make good money with affiliate marketing for sure. This is what I've learned during the past 3 years operating my websites. In conclusion, making money online with affiliate marketing is a long-term journey. You will need to be patient to get good result. It's not an instant money-making tool. I hope you've learned something from this video. This video is just the first part of my video series, which I plan to publish 1 video a week. In the next part, I will talk about how to make money online with a small YouTube channel. If you want to learn from my experience, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks very much for watching and I will see you again in my next videos.